Hello, my name is Deja Tillman. Today is April 14th, 2020. We are doing environmental influences on microbial growth. This is part 2. It's been 48 hours since we've inoculated our salt water test tubes and our pH test tube. So we're going to check them out right now. When I do these, I like to do it on white paper with a black backdrop because it lets me see the coloration change and growth a lot better. What we're looking for is turbidity, which means just something that's not clear. So it'll be kind of cloudiness in this test tubes. So it would mean there's positive growth, that there's cloudiness. There's different microbes that grow in different pH volumes. So that's what we're studying this week. I use just a regular nutrient broth that has not been inoculated, just to have like a comparison to see if there's cloudiness. So as you can see in pH 9 for S-Epi, I would say that's positive turbidity and positive growth. You can see the cloudiness here. For pH 7, I'm going to also say that this is positive turbidity and positive growth for S. cerevisiae and S-Epi. And for pH of 5, we do have cloudiness for both S. cerevisiae and S-Epi, epidermis. So I would say that is also positive turbidity, positive growth. So I'm going to set, that is the pH. Now I'm going to set up, I'm going to put these aside for now. Then we're going to do our salt water tolerance. So this is going to be, let's do our 7% HCl, which is just sodium chloride. You can see here. And then I'm going to grab our 1%, which is here. And then I'll stand up there. And then our 15% is here. So we're looking at growth, turbidity. For our 15% sodium chloride, for S. cerevisiae and S. epidermis, I would say that there's no growth, no turbidity in either of these. These are completely clear when we're comparing to our non-inoculated broth. So completely clear. For our 7% sodium chloride, I would say this is positive turbidity, positive growth compared to our non-inoculated nutrient broth. For both S. epidermis and S. cerevisiae, you can see the clearness and then the cloudiness. Finally, we have our 1% nutrient of the sodium chloride for both S. cerevisiae and S. epidermis. And I'd also conclude there's positive turbidity and positive growth in both. So thank you guys for tuning in this week. I'm going to disinfect my working area with 10% bleach and also soak the test tubes in pure bleach for 2 hours before disposing in a trash can. So forgive me for my camera shaking a little bit. I couldn't figure out how to turn my camera on here to show you guys my result, but that is my result. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.